Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Engineer Imran and my channel name MEP Expert Tech, and today our topic is sewage submersible pump. Sewage submersible pump, first we will discuss about this equipment. There are some points which we are going to discuss: definition, type, installation, standards, sequence of operation, how to design and how to order. Actually these are 6 points that from these points we will discuss only 3 today, and remaining 3 we will discuss later. So let us start. A submersible pump, actually friend, as per its name and its you can understand, a pump designed for underwater working. Actually this pump always sinked inside water, and this is specially designed and specially manufactured to work inside water. So that's why it is called submersible pump. Pump always submerged inside water. You will find this pump always inside water, so that's why it is called submersible pump. So here we have this pump has 2 types, because now we are discussing sewage submersible pump, so it has 2 types: a sewage submersible pump, the pump without grinder, and sewage and soil submersible pump with grinder. So the more detail about these types based on their application is as below. Sewage submersible pumps, friends, where we are using the pump designed for pumping wastewater and sewage water without any solid waste material. The water which don't have solid waste, the water which we are getting from storm drains, flow drains and wash basins. So this type of sewage submersible pump we are using, because it don't have grinders. For example, as an example, I would like to show you. I have one drawing. We can discuss about this type of pump more. That you can see, this is the one basement drawing, and in this basement we are having this catch basins, this flow drains, and also we are having open area, open shafts. All this parking we are having this type of flow drains and open shafts. From open shaft we are getting rainwater or storm water, and from this catch basins we are getting this floor cleaning water. So all this water collecting inside, and we have almost 6 or 7 sump pits. This water is going to be its own sump pits. From this sump pit we are throwing outside to the main sewer line. So actually in this basement we don't have any toilet or WC waste. So that's why in this such type of basements we are using the sewage submersible pump without grinder. So in the next type, sewage and soil submersible pump, the submersible pump with grinder. Actually this type of submersible pump designed to for pumping wastewater, sludge containing water and sewage, fitted with the patent grinder system designed to grind the media. Actually this type of submersible pump we are having solid waste which we are getting from WC or any other source. So we are using this special submersible pump which is connected or which is equipped with grinders. So I would like to show you the picture of grinder. See, you can see this. This is the submersible pump from where it is sucking this waste. So you can see here it has the grinder. It is the grinder. So it will this grinder, it will liquefy the solid waste so that it can pass from the pipes easily. Now another thing which we will discuss, this is the IPC code. I would like to refer to you IPC code. This is section 712, sumps and ejectors, building subdrains. Building subdrain that cannot be discharged to the sewer by gravity. Actually, as you know, our this drainage line always we are installing with the slope, so that water is flowing from these pipe by gravity. But if we have a building and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 basements, so we can the water cannot flow by gravity. So for sure we have to use the forced, or we have to push by pump or by any other media or any other equipment to throw this waste or sludge by force. So for this we are using submersible pumps. So another thing, by the referring of code, I would like to show you that for the in the basements, wherever we are using the submersible pump, we are making sump pits. So code, IPC code, the clause 712.3.2, it is showing, it is giving some explaining some details or some standards for the sump pits, that which describes as that sump pit shall not be less than 18 inch in diameter. So friends, this code what is explaining, for example, here we have one small sump pit. This is sump pit for pump room. Actually, this is, as you see in the picture, this is very small submersible pump and very small sump pit. Actually, this is one pump room which we have in the basement. So for this pump room, as per technically, we are making such type of sump pits in the pump rooms, especially because in any emergency case, or there will be a leakage or there will be a maintenance, so for sure we will get the water. So if we will get water, so we cannot keep this water, we have to throw it outside. So for this purpose we are making this small sump pits. So as per code, this sump pit should not be less than 18 inch in diameter, 18 inch in diameter. And also what is code explaining, that it should not be less than 24 inch. The depth of this pit should not be less than 24 inch. But this is a small example which I am explaining you. But actually this sump pits, the big sump pits, like as you can see in this picture, that we are having big sump pits as well. This is the big sump pit. This is also another big sump pit. So we are having this pits we are making as per our site requirement, and these based on site requirement and site load, always we are preparing as per required, as per given load. So this we will discuss in later, but actually this discussion is a part of our today's topic, so I would like to clarify you. Another thing that code is saying, the pit shall be accessible and located such that drainage flow into the pit by gravity. So what the code is explaining, the pit shed, the sump pit, any sump pit, it should be accessible area, that someone in maintenance person can reach to this pit easily. And second, the code what is explaining that all our flow drains, all our flow drains and other source from where we are getting, we will get the water, it should be come automatically by slope to this pit. So then this pump can perform its duty. I think for the pits I clarify all the things, and during my discussion I would like to also share with you the mass rating toilet. Actually the mass rating toilet, we are having this is the mass rating toilet WC. This is the mass rating WC. This is a WC with the box, with, you can see it is fitted with box. This box fitted with the pump with grinder. This WC, it is called mass rating toilet. So this type of WC we are using in the small houses and small apartment, and which has where we have only one toilet, so that we don't need to make a pit, or we don't need to spend more money to make a pit and installed submersible pumps. We can use such type of mass rating WC. So once the person will use this WC, the waste will go automatically and it will be pushed by this tank, and the waste will come here, and the pump will start automatically, and it will liquefy all the solid waste, and it will throw by this mass rating WC outside main drain. The more I would like to share with you about this mass rater. This pump waste up to 25. This pump, which is installed in this box, by it can lift the water up to 25 feet in height, and in horizontally it can throw this water 150 feet. Submersible pump, we have different brands, but the most famous brand are KSB, Ground Force, Flyjet, Vilo, Stay Right, ABS, and ITT Lovera. So another thing, the code what is explaining about this some pits, that sewage pumps or sewage ejector. A sewage pump or sewage ejector shall automatically discharge the contents of the sump pit. Actually, in this clause, the code is saying that the pump should be work automatically. This topic we will discuss in the sequence of operation, just to highlight in front of you, but in detail we will discuss in our sequence of operation. Regarding the installation, I would like to clarify regarding the special thing for the installation. For installation, here you can see what is IPC code is saying, that discharge piping shall meet the requirement section. Here they are giving the section because they are at this sections they are explaining about the pipe which we can use. Normally we are using class 5 glue joint pipe for this, because this is pressurized drain lines. So we are using the class 5 pipe in Gulfs, but as per local or as per code, you can check other conditions as well. So for the more, what the code is saying, a gate valve and full flow check valve. Actually, full flow check valve, at the discharge of this submersible pump, we are installing. This is, see, as you can see, this is the check valve and this is the gate valve, and this piping, as you can see, I'm showing by my cursor, it is going. This is the drainage line. This is the drain point from where this pit pit water is going outside from the basement. So always at the discharge of pump we are using this check valve and gate valve. So for today topic, all points we already discussed. In next session we will discuss the sequence of operation and how to design and how to order. So I hope you get and you learn new things from my today's lecture. I would like to request you to share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.